Síguela. Pulled out slots. They just turned these on. We're one of the first to play. This is Huff N Puff Highrise by Light Wonder. Gonna do a little live play, try to get a great bonus. Let's get some hats. We're looking for a gray hat. That's the detonator. He's gonna blow it up and bring some more hats down. Or we'll take that buzzsaw hat where the arrow flips and decides where it's gonna go to give us some extra rows. Of course, I want the green hat. Yeah, that turns all the hats into buzzsaw hats. Oh, that's fantastic. There we go. We got the gray. Come on. Oh, he didn't bring any down. There's a gray hat. Let's pull it off. All right, keep going. Come on, we want the gray hat. Oh. All right, come on, gray hat. Or green hat. Come on. Oh my gosh, here we go. Gray hat, we got the gray hat. Come on, blow those rows up. Yeah, Pix, are you gonna throw some hats down? Come on. Yes, yes. Got it. And we got a buzzsaw hat. We open a few rows. Oh wow, I like that one. Long row. Come on. Hats. We need more games. One more. No. Two. Oh, there we go. Ring trigger. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. One more. Yes! Beautiful retrigger. And here we go, buzzsaw hat, and okay, we're going cowboys. We got plenty of spaces for a mansion, and we got another retrigger. Yes. 2 mansions. We have 2 games. We need more retriggers and 2 more mansions. Oh, I can't believe it. Another retrigger. I love that sound. Come on. Another mansion. 5 mansions. Oh, 6 mansions. Come on. Oh, right there. Oh my gosh. 5 hats. Keep going. Here we go. 7 mansions. Oh my goodness. Oh, how fun is this? I always love to try a new game, especially when they first turn them on. How exciting. Okay. Here he is. He's got a purple fish. Let's do our wood houses. Come on, mansions. Coin 50. Oh, times 2. Come on. Coin. Mini mansion. Oh, this is good. Look at that. Oh, it goes fast. 110.25. So we got 112. Yeah, 112.55. What a win. First time playing and only a few spins. Okay, let's back up. One more. Oh, he opened 2 rows. But no hats. One more. Okay, I'll bring you back when I get another game. Cashed out, put 100 in. My first spin, I got the bonus again. And look at this. And the gray hat, they blew it up. Come on. Trigger. Okay, we need mansions. This is fun. Come on, hats. There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, got the buzzsaw hat. Come on, go to the... Oh, it's basically the same. Okay, got 2 either way. Open them up. Right, hats. Come on. One more. Ooh, we got 2 more. Come on, hats. One more. A lot of spaces for mansions. Come on. And we got some mansions. 3. Another new trigger. Oh my gosh. And 4, now 4 mansions. Keep doing it. I did it. Come on. Oh my. 6 mansions. Oh, what's 7? There we go, another one. 8 mansions. Oh, make it a good one. Come on. 8 mansions. Straw, only straws and mansions. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell. Here comes the mansions. 750 coin, 37.50, $75. Oh my gosh! And a mini, 15. Right back, 178.75. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. First spin. Big one. Look at that. Dancing away. 180.25. I love it. That was 2 good bonuses in such a short time. I'm going to try the one next door. I just got 3 signs.
That's not green.
Come on, we need the green hat, green hat. We need a green hat to get the super feature. Green hat. There it is. Oh my gosh, we got the green hat. Green hat. Oh, I can't believe it. Yes. Look at this. Now wait till you see what these do. Oh, every hat's going to turn into the buzzsaw hat. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, come on. And make some mansions. Come on, we need hats. 1. All right. Oh, he went the wrong way. Darn it. Well, there's 1, 2. No, we need a re-trigger. Go up, up. No, oh, we went down. Okay, come on, re-trigger. 1. Go to the right. Go to the right. Oh, we got a mansion. Come on, hats. 1 game left. Oh, please, re-trigger. Oh, one more. Oh, we got it. Oh, look at this. 5 hats. 5 buzzsaw hats. 2 mansions. Gold. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. 4 mansions. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Do it. Do it. Oh, this is something else. 5 mansions. Come on. 6 mansions. Oh, should have went the other way. Okay, 1 game left. Come on, hats. Give me a re-trigger. Come on. Do it. Okay. Oh my goodness. 8 mansions. We got the green hat. I can't believe it. I love this new game. Okay, come on. Oh, come on, mansions. 7, 15, 7, 15, 15. Ooh, nice numbers. And many times 2. 117.75. What a bonus. I'm up over $400 on these new machines. Huff N Puff Highrise by Light & Wonder. I love it. Thanks for watching. Stay well. Win big. I love you all. Baci Stellare. Subscribe. I got the green hat.